Hi everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am writing 5 lines on Independence Day. Good morning everyone. My name is Naksh. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all my videos. Third line. Today is 15th August and wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Fourth line. India got independence on this day in 1947. Fifth line. We hoist our national flag. I love my country very much. Thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.